Good morning, Mom. Good morning, my sisters.
Good morning, my son.
Good morning, big brother.
Where are you going so early, my child?
I'm going to work, Mom.
Aren't you even going to have breakfast?
Sorry, I'll eat with my colleagues at work.
All right. Okay. Take this taco anyway. It will help you get through the day.
Thank you, Mom. I don't know what I would do without you. All right. See you later.
See you later, my son.
All right. It's ringing.
Mark, this is getting out of hand. Do you think it's a habit to come whenever you want?
No, boss. It's just today.
No, it's never just today. Every time there's an excuse.
I work hard. You know that.
Working hard is not enough. Here, we need reliable people.
I am reliable. I'm always there when it matters.
Being there when it matters means being there on time, not after.
You don't know what I'm dealing with.
And you don't know what I'm dealing with. A company is not a daycare.
I'm doing my best.
Your best is no longer enough.
Then tell me, what do you really expect from me?
That you choose. Either you're serious or you lose your job.
You want me to choose?
Exactly. And now, you either come to work or you stay where you are.
Boss? And what if the problem isn't me, but this job?
Be careful what you say, Mark.
No. You're the one who needs to listen.